We've been making our own compost for a while now, and we've settled on having these wheelie bins as our method of making it. We use our peelings and food waste. We're vegans, so there's no meat or anything going in there, and that includes coffee granules and tea bags as well. We stick in there. We've found these wheelie bins are the easiest option. They keep the vermin out, this rats or mice, and even if you empty them out, there always seems to be insects in there and worms that I think get in there from the cuttings from the garden. The end of the season is always a good time to try and get plant bargains. And we picked up a couple of these pots of Trachycarpus fortunii. They were £10 each. And the reason we chose them was because there appeared to be more than one plant in the pot. And with Trachycarpus, they're not like Washingtonias where they don't separate. These will separate because they probably had a few seeds in that one pot. And if you wash them off with water, they come apart much easier than if you leave the soil on. You just need a knife or something to try and prise them apart, and then the roots will just pull apart. Trachycarpus are very slow growing, but we won't need this many in the garden when they're fully grown, so we'll probably give some away for presents, or maybe just have them for a while on the patio as pot plants. We're using just a standard compost with quite a high mix of perlite in there to retain the water. These white flowers are Cleomes, and we really like them. White's a very useful colour. It will sort of go with anything really. And we thought we'd collect the seeds to grow some next year. But they're quite difficult to actually get the seeds. You have to wait until the pod is splitting, just starting to split, before you harvest them. And of course, you need to time it right, because if you leave it too late, the seeds will fall out. One last look at the garden before we pack it away for the winter. watching, and if you've enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe. Goodbye.